Buffy vom Hamundr. First big notable snow. This girl's 10 months old now, really taking some beautiful shape. But we're out here just having fun. Because again, it's January. We've got 7 inches of snow coming in with a ½ inch of ice. And we're trying to squeeze in some training. Look at this girl. Shaking that snow off. One thing you guys have heard me talk about, these Red Bull and Lagatha puppies, something I really enjoy is their overall engagement. Zarek, which is their older brother, he's turning 2 next month. His engagement's beautiful, so is Rhaegar, Animal, and then the second generation, Buffy and such, they're the same. Their engagement, they want to work with their owners. You do not have to wake up and go buy them a pup cup from Starbucks to get their motivation up. They're just ready to go. Look at her. Having fun. Had a girl, Buffy. Good girl. All right, guys. I don't have gloves on. It's freezing. But that's Wendy and Buffy having a little snow day fun before the real blizzard hits. Hope you all enjoyed.